Welcome to video 2 in our series of digital marketing for high value services. So in part 1, I talked about choosing the one singular service that you needed to choose so that you've got a really clear vision, and that means that your messaging is aligned and that you can focus on one thing to do in your marketing. So here we are in part 2. Now part 2 is about making sure that you've got an irresistible offer for your potential patients. And what do I mean by an irresistible offer? I mean something that's going to actually drive them to take action. So that's different from the benefit. If I get Invisalign, we're selling the smile, we've got the benefit of having that perfect smile, that great smile, that improvement. But what is it that's the offer that's going to tip me to make contact with you specifically to book in that consult? The first thing you need to do is go and look at what the offers are currently in the marketplace. One is I'd go and look at your local direct competitors, but now you can kind of think a bit wider because you want to brainstorm the offers that are going to work best for you. So the way to do that is to go to the Facebook ads library, which shows all of the ads that are currently running on Facebook and Instagram. Isn't that cool? I mean, you can go and look at who's targeting implants in Australia, what their ads look like. I mean, it's a really, really good insight. Here I am. I just went to Australia. I selected all ads and I just typed in implants. And then I started looking through, what are these ads that they're running? Okay, what kind of offers? This one's get the free implant consult and $1,000 off. What else have we got? I saw some interesting ones down here before. One I saw which was a super offer. So did you know you could use your super? There's a few different things. Dental implant starter consultation package, which is essentially a free consult. So you can go through these and you can start to get some ideas about how people are advertising into high value service clients. So that's the starting place, is to kind of open your mind up to the kind of offers that are out there. And then the next stage for you is to create a structure around what you might do as an offer. I can tell you right now that the offers that are going to work best are those that have a price point in them and are competitively priced. Some of you will be comfortable doing a competitively priced offer, and others, it's not part of how you want to market the business and you may not be comfortable with it. And also depends on the service you choose. If you're doing teeth whitening, I think most dentists will be comfortable having a fixed price teeth whitening service. First thing is, am I comfortable talking about price in my ads and on my landing page? And an example of that might be something like this, which is a really clear offer. And I can tell you that this offer gets a lot of interest because it removes a lot of the scary component behind what the implants might cost when they're visiting this particular dentist. So can you do a price-based offer? So that's one. The second is, if you can't do a price-based offer, can you offer something that's value-based without talking about the price? You saw some examples in that ad library where we talked about before, where they were offering $1,000 off discount. And then some examples that we've used is a price point based on a price per week. That's based on offering a payment plan or a price match guarantee. Or is there other ways that you can talk about what it's going to cost and lower the fee around the cost to tip people in without actually having the price up there? The third thing that you want to think about is every dentist is in a position to provide a free consult for these high-value services, or for most of the high-value services. So if that's the case and your offer is book a free consult, one of the issues you have is everybody offers that, so you're not distinguishing yourself. But what you can do is start to add value to what the free consult is really worth. So in this case, it's kind of quite small here, but we've got valued at $550. You can create value around the free consult itself. And you would have saw in some of those examples, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get this, and you're going to get an X-ray and a digital scan and a digital smile portrait. So it's no longer just a free consult. It's a free consult with all of this stuff that you're now getting. So the 3 approaches you can take to putting together the offer, and the offer is just the tipping point, Remember, we're still in the job of selling the smile, so we're still talking about having a fantastic smile and the outcome that we're going to get from it. The offer itself works in conjunction with the outcome that we're going to offer to the patient. So the outcome is the new smile, the outcome is straight teeth, and the outcome is a lot of things emotionally, the confidence that it builds and a lot of those things. But the tipping point to get people in is often the offer itself. And time again, we've seen the offer will work in conjunction with this. And you don't have to lower your brand values. My advice to you is look at the cascade from the most specific pricing offer to how can I rephrase a pricing offer to how can I add value to my free consult. Take that cascade and go, where am I comfortable? Once we've done that, in the next video, we're going to talk about how you're going to combine the irresistible offer that you've created with your marketing proof points that you can deliver on the promise. They're going to be combined into a really sticky and high converting landing page. And that's what I'm going to talk about in the next video.